Hi, this is Norman Briffa. In this tutorial, I'd like to demonstrate using the online form for writing structured oral questions for the new Cardiothoracic SCP exam. The topic I will cover in this demonstration is venous drainage during a cardiac surgical operation. I will be using one image of a venous cannula. So we start in the usual place in the web portal for the Cardiothoracic SCP exam and click on the structured oral question writing form link. So on the first page you get some brief instructions as well as a reminder of what you need to think of whilst writing the question. It's important to remember that the whole interaction with the candidate is marked. In other words, marking for structured orals is holistic. So the next page deals with images that you may use for writing the question. As you can see, I've clicked one. The name of the file is CPB3, and I click on this link, which asks me my name. Choose the file. That's where it is, CPB3, open, upload. And that's it, file uploaded successfully. So this is the picture that I've just uploaded. It is essentially several 2- and 3-stage venous cannulae. So the next page is the part where the question itself is written. As you can see, there's a date, the name of question writer, email address. I filled all these in already. The stem or the scenario, which is a 73-year-old man is undergoing aortic valve replacement to treat aortic stenosis. After stenotomy, the surgeon is preparing to put the patient on bypass. And the first question is, can you tell me what you see in the picture? What does the patient require prior to insertion of a cannula? How is the cannula secured? Where does the cannula tip lie? So key points for discussion. It's a 2- or 3-stage venous cannula. Administration of heparin. Purse strings under tie to secure the cannula. Tip lies in the IVC with rest in the RA. Then the second question is, patient may have moderate mitral regurgitation. How may this influence the cannulation strategy of the surgeon? Or what if the patient is having a mini sternotomy for his surgery? How may this influence the surgeon? So talk about alternative ways of cannulation, e-bicavil as the IVC, or femoral venous cannulation, percutaneous jugular cannulation. And then question 3, finally, during the operation, perfusionist informs the surgeon he has lost drainage. What does this mean? What are the possible causes? How can the situation be improved? And then air in the venous line, kinking of the venous line, displacement of the venous cannula, and ways to improve drainage, repair the hole in the RA, unkinking of the tube, repositioning of the cannula, and apply suction to the venous side. So on the final page is the tagging, very similar to the SBA writing form. So we've got, I've already tagged this, so tagging of the curriculum framework is valvular heart disease and cardiopulmonary bypass. So for Maguire's classification, because there are a number of questions that use different levels of thinking, higher recall and higher thinking, for Maguire's classification we take the highest achieved, which in this case was problem solving. And then the perioperative phase was clearly just intraoperative, and the question writer was a surgeon. And that's it, and you submit it, and that's it. That's another question for the question bank. Thank you for listening.